So welcome to part 2 of my mini series showing you what I have given my AI agent Hermes access to and how I am enabling it to do a lot of the work for me that is automated. So in today's video, I wanted to talk about a tool called Composio and what Composio does for your AI agent. So on the left side here, without Composio, your AI agent knows what to do. It can research and analyze. It can write perfect plans. It can draft emails and messages. But taking action and having it do multiple tasks that involve multiple applications becomes a pain. And the problem here is that a lot of the different tools and applications that you want your agent to have access to all have to be added manually and individually. And so what Composio does is it basically turns that really manual, complicated process into an almost automation through basically one layer. We have access to over 1,000 apps that you can then connect your AI agent to. So again, it does a lot of the hard work for you. And so what does that mean? Now that means that my Hermes agent has access to thousands of apps and tools. So instead of just being able to send an email, it can send an email, it can update a spreadsheet because it maybe has access to Google Sheets or Excel. It can post messages through Instagram or X and many more of the different tools that they have. And really the entire process is almost end to end. So Composer is very, very powerful. And it's probably one of the first tools I would suggest anybody who's working with AI agents connect their AI agent to just make it a lot easier to give your agent more tools and more applications to automate. The last thing that I'll touch on is Composio actually has a free tier, which is very generous. They have over 1,000 actions per month for free. So if you're just trying to test this out for the first time and see if it works for you, you don't even need to pay for it. So with that, we'll go straight into their website. So you want to go ahead and go to Google and type in Composio, and the website you're looking for is composio.dev. So I already have an account, but usually you want to go through Get Started and you can log in. So once you're in the Composio dashboard, the first item you want to do is go ahead and get your API key. The best way to do that is to click on the name right here and then click on API key. Once you click on API key, you can then go ahead and create an API key, and we'll just call it test for now. And you can click read all or you can click write. I always suggest starting with read all for now, but if you want to give it full permission to do a lot more, write all is fine. So for the purpose of this demo, we'll go ahead and just leave it at read all. We will get our API key. So this is our API key, and this API key is what we will then share with our Hermes agent. So once you've got your API key, the next step now is to go ahead and add it to your environment. So we will go ahead and do that now. I will open Hostinger. So we'll go to hostinger.com, and that is where my Hermes agent's virtual private server is. So a virtual private server is basically a computer that runs 24/7 that allows you to access your agent 24/7. So if this was on your local machine, you would need it running 24/7, but I prefer virtual private server because it's hosted by somebody else and they manage it for me and I can talk to my agent anytime. So that's why we use a virtual private server. So when you're in the Hostinger, you can click VPS, and then you want to go to your Docker manager, and within your Docker manager is where your agents would be installed. And if you've never installed Hermes agent, I have a video that can walk you through that as well, step by step. But in this example, we are going to go straight into one of our agents here and add the Composio key. So we want to go ahead and click manage. And once we click manage, we will be able to scroll to the bottom, get to our environment, and then find this section here that says Composio. It will be Composio _API _key. And then under the value is where we would enter our key that we got from Composio earlier. And once that key is added, you scroll up to the top and you click deploy, and your Hermes agent will be able to have access to Composio. So once you've added your API key, the next piece now is to go ahead and look at the toolkits. So within the toolkit is where, on the left-hand bar here in the toolkits, is where all the different tools are listed. And right now they have 1,047 tools in Composio. And some of these include Gmail, GitHub, Google Calendar, Slack, Superbase, Google Sheets, Notion, Perplexity, Twitter, and so many more. I mean, thousands of different apps. And again, think of this as a much easier way for your AI agent to integrate with multiple apps so that it can do different tasks for you. Now, the main important thing is you have to have an account with the app that you're trying to connect, because what's going to happen is that app is going to ask for your authentication when you try to connect it. So for this example, I'm going to go ahead and connect my agent to Reddit via Composio. And I already have a Reddit account, so authentication is what we're going to use to get access to give Composio access to my Reddit, which then will give my agent access to Reddit. So when you're ready, you want to click the icon here, and then you want to go to the right and click Add to Project. It's going to give you a config name. You can leave that as is, click Next, and then leave the authentication method, and then leave it to be managed by Composio. It's just much easier that way. The scopes here is basically what is the permissions that you are giving Composio access to, which ultimately will be your agent. Your agent will be able to read, it will be able to vote, submit, flare, edit, and also identity. So once you agree to these, and you can select them with this drop down, once you agree to this, you click create the authentication, and it'll go ahead and authenticate it. So Composio allows you to have multiple accounts. And so as you can see, I already have this configured with another account or another profile. Think of it as another profile. So let's say you had multiple agents and you wanted to give them different access to Reddit, or maybe you're doing this for a business, you can do that. So in this example, I'm gonna connect the account that I want the Composio account to be connected to. And the user ID, you can get this actually in your settings. So my user ID for this particular project, so we can test it, this is my user ID for this particular area. And then I would click connect. And so now it's going to authenticate and ask me if I want to allow the permissions, which I will allow. And now it has successfully connected Composio to Reddit, which means my agent has access to all of my Reddit and can read and can see replies and can post, which is really cool because Reddit is a great place for finding potential customers, getting data on certain maybe software that you're looking to build or a business you're looking to start. So unlike the traditional way of just having the agent go through multiple pages of Reddit, maybe searching online randomly, this is actually a lot more customized because your agent is not able to use your profile to basically get data through Reddit. So once you've connected your app to Composio and authenticated, the next piece is to confirm if your agent actually has access. Your agent will not get access until you actually give it the opportunity to build a tool router and make sure that the new tool has been added. So what I do usually on my Telegram is I just press /new just to start a new session. And then once that's done, I want to go ahead and put in this prompt. And this is a prompt that I will have in the description of the video as well. So I connected then the name of the toolkit in Composio. Please verify the connected account. Add it to Hermes Composio tool router. Allow list if needed. Rebuild the router session. Update Hermes config. Reload/test MCP and prove it works with a harmless read-only call. Do not print secrets. So that's just a way of just basically saying, make sure it works and then test it out for me. And let's make sure that everything that we added actually is working as it's supposed to be. So I will replace this with Reddit, and then we will give it to the Hermes agent. Once your agent has completed the task, this is what it'll give you. And again, this is your Hermes agent. It will basically give you a checklist and a results breakdown of what it has done. So right here, it says Reddit has been connected. It found my active account via Composio. It gave me the router information that it created. And again, this is a test, so I'm gonna delete all these when it's all done. So now to test if this actually works as intended, let's prompt it and see if it'll give us some information. One of the prompts I like to give is, now that you have access to the tool, in this case Reddit, what can you do that you did not have the capabilities to do so before the connection? And let's see what the agent will say. So instead of me trying to guess if it'll work by prompting different things, I like to make sure that the agent really, especially Hermes, because Hermes remembers, you want to prompt it in a way that it now remembers it's building this persona of all the different tools you've given it, right? So it's like, hey, you didn't have this before. I know you could do a lot of things, but now that you have access, what can you do? So what I can do now, and then it breaks it down for us. So it says, read authenticated Reddit account information, read Reddit listings through the connected account, research subreddits and post patterns, basically find what topics and hooks and titles are working in relevant communities, pull hot new top rising conversational posts. So if you're trying to research about, some things particular that there's a community on Reddit, this now allows your agent to go and do that homework for you. Find content ideas. So turn high signal Reddit discussions. If there's a post on Reddit that is blowing up and a lot of people commenting about it, that could be a pipeline for ideas for YouTube, for SEOs, for blogs, for topics. Look up Reddit users, and then you can also edit, delete my own Reddit posts and comments, which is really cool. So I could have my agent basically edit my own posts and delete them on Reddit. So again, this is the power of Composio, giving your agent access to all these tools, and then your agent being able to do a lot more. That's really the idea here. And then here's a further breakdown, what I could not do before. So before this connection, I could only do public unauthenticated web style Reddit searches. So search pages, read public threads if access was available, and then summarize the content. Now I can do account-backed Reddit workflows, like find 20 recent posts in the small business niche, so small business subreddit where owners complain about missed calls. That's something that's very specific, and the agent would know what subreddit to go to find that. So all the prompts and all the material that I covered here today will be listed in the description. Feel free to use them. And if you like, please subscribe and follow for more content. This was part 2, and my next post will be part 3 of my series of mini videos that I am showcasing my tech stack for my Hermes agent and how I have connected it to multiple tools to help me run my business. See you on the next one.